Hello everyone, myself Atul Negi and I welcome you all to IMS Gate Academy YouTube platform. There is an important job recruitment update from Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO, for the post of scientist. Now, if we look at the advertisement, they have mentioned the vacancies for 3 different branches. First for electronics, 22, for mechanical, 33 and for computer science, 8. These are the vacancies they have mentioned. Now, if I talk about the education qualification that is required, in BTech you should be having 65%, that is minimum criteria, or if CGPA is there in your university, 6.84 is the minimum CGPA required on the scale of 10. Now, apart from that, this time they are not taking a separate examination for ISRO for the post of scientist engineer, but this time they will be shortlisting the students on the basis of the GATE score. Now, if you look at here, for electronics and communication engineering, paper code EC they have mentioned, for mechanical paper code ME, and for CS paper code is CS, computer science. So these are the paper code you should be having. On this paper code, you should be having a valid scorecard. Okay, so they will be shortlisting based on the GATE score. This is very important update that you should understand. Now, apart from that, some important information that we need to see. Age limit is 28, right? As on 19th of May 2025. So age limit is 28. Right. Application online registration will be started from the 29th of April until it will go 19th of May. Now, other important details, that application fees is 250 rupees. And a few more details that we need to see here is, if I talk about the selection process, this is very important. If you look at the selection process, shortlisting of the candidates in the interview in the ratio of 1:7, it is there on the basis of the GATE score, not the GATE marks, not the GATE rank, on the basis of GATE score. Apart from that, in interview, they have specifically mentioned which of the things they are going to ask. First, that is, they have mentioned the technical academic knowledge, 40 marks, general awareness in the relevance area of the specialization. General awareness means in your particular branch, what are the latest advancements are there, latest technologies, what is the, in the real world, what is the new technologies are coming in your particular specialization. So you should be having some basic general awareness about your branch. That is very important also. So that is for 20 marks. Apart from that, presentation skill 20 marks, comprehension skills 10 marks they have mentioned, and academic achievements, if it is there, for 10 marks it is there. So these are the things they have specifically mentioned. So we have to prepare accordingly, right? Now, if I talk about the pay and allowances, it is a level 10 of the pay matrix, it will be there, right? Now, other important details they have also mentioned here, that is we need to see. So in this particular notification, if you see that opening date of the online registration, as I told you, 29th of April, and last date is 19th of May. Payment date, the last payment date will be 21 of the May month, right? Now, for other details, you can log into the website www.isro.gov.in for other details. This is a very important notification update from the ISRO site. If you have qualified GATE 2025 as well as GATE 2024 score you are having, you should definitely apply for this particular recruitment of the engineer or the scientist post from the ISRO. So very important, they are not conducting their own examination. Previously, they used to conduct their own examination, but this time they will be taking through GATE score. So every student who have qualified for the GATE 2025 or 2024, they should apply for this particular post. Thank you so much.